It's all fishes. Bunch of crabs. Bunch of fishes. How do I catch them fishes? No. Something sleeps here. Oh. Blue herons. People were out there. You people are crazy. That clay is not safe to walk on. It obviously is, you were walking on it. That's pretty crazy. We're gonna get you fishes. We're gonna get you good. We can't go fishing because there's these dudes setting up fucking fireworks, which is awesome. So we're coming back there to watch that. But we can't go get the food. And it might be gone when the next tide comes in. I've never seen those tidal pools fill up with fish before. So, this is crazy. Welcome to nature, asshole. Oh, jeez. Where'd he go? This bat's been following us. I wonder if he lives in the house. No? That's crazy. Huh?
Now, there's a track, like a car track, dirt track, that goes along the waterfront. Walk down there. Now, tell me if you can. Tell me if you can. I'm gonna wave a cell phone. Tell me if you can see it. Hang on. One second. Okay, now I've got it in my hand. Just walk down. There's that last house in the car park. Go towards it. Okay, now.
Sarah, come on, I need you.
Okay.
Like a pickup. Yeah, I know this really small girl right here.
Right.
That whole fucking...
Dave, because me and Dave agreed, we got some serious drinking to do. Oh, clumps of dirty.
At the very least,
Kale.
show a clump of dirty.
You should fight.
You must die. I alone am best.
day after the fireworks, there's just firework guts spread all over the like Waterfield area. Never knew fireworks were such garbage makers. It's like kinda messed up. And there's bunches of garbage all over. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Garbage, 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 garbage. Just love it. And there's a weird like blackness to the red clay today. I don't know if that's from the fireworks or what, but never seen the blackness before. That's strange. I loved fireworks, but now I don't know. Everything humans do seems to just be an obnoxious affront to nature. There's some fireworks garbage. I suppose when you explode shit in the sky, shit from that shit's gonna fly around. Garbage, garbage. Blackness. Squishity squish. Got a fish. He's too small to eat though. Back you go. Fishing. Didn't catch nothing but bugs. More bugs. Should figure out if I can eat bugs like that. Might be a more productive time. Oh yeah! Catching a bunch of fish. Oh, you guys are too little to eat too. Maybe. Maybe we could eat a bunch of little ones. Oh, pretty big looking fishes. caught on that I caught on to where they were. Now they're not there. Fishes are clever.
Maybe we should.
Oh, fishes. So many fishes. Oh, mud's like quicksand around here. Gotta be careful not to die. Oh, I'm going to die if I keep going that way. Oh, this is so sketchy. If you want to eat supper, you need to be crazy. Whoa, sinking quickly. Oh, it smells so fresh. Oh, little fishes. We got some little fishes. Not some big fishes yet. Oh, got some more fishes. Lively little guys. Need a longer stick. What? Let's see.
I'm keeping them in the water, kind of. Have you caught one this size yet?
No.
He's still breathing. But hardly.
Oh, that's a bass.
Nice.
He's too small to keep though.
No, he's dying though, which is sad.
Oh.
See?
Was he just sitting still when you found him?
Oh yeah. That's why I caught him so easy.
I wonder if there's just like not enough oxygen left.
Look at this. 2 dead crabs for like no reason, and they're still kind of like fresh, like they're almost moving, but just not.
That is weird. Oh, there's another dead fish here.
Oh, weird.
What the fuck?
I didn't even see that one.
Oh, oh.
I think that's a dead fish too. See right there?
It is. I wonder if this was from the fireworks last night.
Oh, and look how big they are, those poor little guys.
I think that's a bass too or something.
It's so strange how that one's still breathing. Like just like floating and breathing.
Whoa, look at the size of that snail.
There's a lot of big ones around. I was gonna ask if we could eat those. Look at them. And another overturned crab. Why would they just die like that when they have this pool?
Yeah, really, that is weird. Suddenly, our fishing area seems very sketchy. Maybe we should just collect the dead fish for samples. It smells like dead fish out here, but... weird. Why are the bigger fish dead but the little fish not dead?
Why are the birds still not around here?
That's a good question too. Why are the birds not eating out of this pool? At least we know these nets work for catching fish though. I don't know if this is connected, but for some reason there's pitch black soil here, or clay. I put my stick into it and it goes down pretty deep. It's kind of oily though. Kind of really oily. Been any oil spills around here lately? Weird. The top layer is red and then it just goes black. The fuck? These ones is mysteriously dead. And out here we got this fella having a hard time breathing by the looks of it. It might just be the algae bloom. Or actually there's no algae bloom out here, so I don't know what it is. He ain't got enough fight to even flop around or nothing. Oh, there he goes. Flop around a bit. Come on. Live, damn it, live! You're the future of striped bass. Come on. There you go. Oh, that'll help him. Fucking surround him in muck. I put him in some deeper water. He seems to be doing a little better. So just that part of the pond seems to be like under there. There's nothing but baby fishes, and the bigger fishes is dead, except for that one that was almost dead. Now he's less dead. He was swimming a bit there a second ago. A lot of little fishes out here though. I don't know if I want to eat them now though, because everything around this pool seems to be dying. And there's like that weird black sludge line work over there. Dun dun dun. This crab just died, which is just weird. Crabs don't normally just die at that age from what I know. And especially that close to the water still. That one's so freshly dead he's still like limber. And this little fish here Looks like a maybe another bass, I think. Baby bass. He's toast. So it's weird that just the bass are dead in here. None of the other stuff. Whoa, sinking in the mud, sinking in the mud. Ugh. 3 dead amigos. Could the fireworks have caused this with their explosions? Like when you fish with TNT? But why wouldn't it kill the little fish? And what caused all these crabs to die? Yesterday these crabs were all kicking it quite alive. And suddenly everything in this pool just dropped dead except for one crab out there. And then there's a bunch of dead ones along here. Dead fishes. I'm feeling nauseous from hanging out around it. It's really weird. Maybe I'm just gassy from coffee. So, another mystery in Wolfville. What on earth is happening at this pool? All them snails are dead too. It looks like none of them are moving. Usually snails are all over the place. Could it be this black guck? Who knows? Example of the kind of bird that lives around them pools full of mysteriously dead fish. I don't know if you can see him, but there's a blue heron there. And his buddy's over there somewhere. He just flew off. So it's weird, there's 2 blue herons, which are like super fishing birds. That would totally go for a chance at a pool full of fishes. That are just not going anywhere near the pool full of fishes. So like, what's the deal with that pool full of fishes? And all these other birds of prey that eat the fishes aren't going for the easy opportunity meal. Some weird business here. What hath we discovered? Oh, butterfly. What have we discovered? Oh, this is a sleeping area of some kind. Deer, maybe hippies. It's hard to say. Oh, clearing. Oh, jeez, it walks right into the muck. Let's find another way around. A bunch of camping sites by the looks of it. Either a giant herd of deer came here or a large group of hippies. Because it gets flat over here too, which is exactly where a tent would be put. If one was so inclined. Holy mother. It must have been hippies. Look at all these footprints. These people are crazy. Messing around with the Bay of Fundy like that. But as you can see, there's actually quite a number of blue herons out here. None of them are going for the easy meal. It must have been hippies that flattened all this grass. Hey. Wonder how many of them are stuck under the mud down there now. Probably why all the water turned black. Oh, that's weird. Something big and giant is running through the grass. Yeah, circle around. Careful, it could be a hippie.
Shark egg.
Shark egg?
Isn't that what that is? I think it's.
Yeah, it is. Mermaid's purse. Huh. Maybe that's what was running. A monster from the deep. Don't like shark eggs develop on their own? Outside the womb?
Yeah.
They just abandon those things? Should we throw it into the water maybe?
It would be dried up by now. That's for sure. I used to ask those questions all the time.
You can see the shark in there. Maybe it's still good.
No, but you can if you want to.
Put it there for now. But where's this thing that was running through the grass a moment
It's
ago?
off down there or something because it's nowhere anymore.
Amazing how critters can hide like that.
Yeah, it's fine.
This grove of trees looks right mystical and shit. And this dude's just watching. All those dudes fly around. Haw, haw, haw. Why aren't they eating the fish? How come you're not eating the fish? Are they not clean? If there was people tenting out there, they were risking getting swallowed up by a friggin' 40-foot tall wall of water that comes in twice a day. And by the evidence of this shark purse, it goes at least 10-20 feet beyond where they were pitching their tents on the edge. Not to mention, what's the deal with that leaf? It's just moving crazy. Anyway, not to mention the fish pool was like 100 meters in from the edge of the shore. So the high tide, man, them hippies were lucky they didn't get swallowed up by nature herself. That would be a lesson to the Disney way of life. Sometimes nature eats you whole. I hope it doesn't eat me whole. Not yet anyway. Gotta stay cautious. All that stuff. That's just weird. Someone did a donut and made an absolutely perfect circle while doing it. No, that can't be it. They must have filled up some kind of perfect circle container. Oh yeah, it was like a day after the last time, or a day passed between the last fish footage and what we're gonna collect today. But is this a gent? No, this was made by somebody on a motorbike. Some shit. Very well done. Perfect circle donut. That takes some talent on a bike, man. The peace of the afterlife is perfectly accessible while still in this life. If only you calm down. I caught nothing. God damn it. Oh, I hate this. It's stupid. Why are we even fishing like this? Anyway, okay. Tranquility is only a step away. A, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. Caught a bug. The deeper the water, the harder it is to catch the fish. Caught 2 bugs. Getting closer. How are you doing?
No, just a lot of bugs.
Hmm. Oh, black soil. Lots of bugs. Well, we could see more fishes, but we are not catching more fishes. Nature is crazy in the head. And if I was a hunter-gatherer, I would die. Unless I learn to eat those bugs. Well, ooh. Still no buds feeding around here. Where we were standing yesterday. It's a couple hours after high tide. Probably buy some rubber boots. By the looks of it, the area we left them dead fishes the other day is that black smudge on the top. Which is kind of weird. I don't know what those fishes died of, but it was gross. We can't quite get out to where we will catch the fishes from our current situated point. Let's follow this erratic looking dog path thing. It's salt water, alright. I'm basically walking on top of really thick mats of grass that's over squishy clay. It's pretty weird. back in a couple few hours I could get to there, but not right now. Ooh, yeah, no. Yeah, weird. Weird oil shed. That was not what I expected to see. Jeez, how much of this field's just sitting on old boards? This could all be a giant sinkhole waiting to happen. Holy smokes, what am I doing out here? This is kind of stupid. Well, enjoy it while you got it. Huh. Same kind of deal. How much of this field's even a field? How much of it's just old wood with a bunch of mud on top of it? Oh, check it out, a crab. Oh, another crab. They're everywhere. No, not really everywhere. They're just right there. Cosmic drain holes. The tide comes up, the tide goes down. More boards and timber. Man, the more I find out about this place, the less I want to be here. This will definitely turn into a sinkhole sooner or later. I bet. And another over here that is yet to break through. And one here. I bet this would too. My goodness. I bet where that fish's hole is will turn into a giant one. Hippie camping. They've been here again. What is with these hippies? Or whoever they are. Presumably today we'll see a bunch of arms sticking out of the high tide mark. That mud will keep you quick, man. That's why you gotta not go in it to start with. Crazy. It's still a couple hours, 3 hours now after high tide. Still some water up here. This doesn't feel safe to stand on anymore. Although it looks like Australia. That's pretty cool. There's a bird taunting my limitations of human being. Tide would have been as high as that is wet there, that clay bunch. Could have even gone right up to the grass. It goes up that high.